Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 21st Painguni, that is 4th April 2025, Friday, Krodhi Nama Samvatsharam, Uttarayanam, Shishira Rudou, Painguni Masam, that is Meena Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to night 2:18 a.m. Saptami, then Ashtami, Bhriguvasaram, that is Friday, Nakshatram up to 11:33 a.m. Mrigashirsham, then Tiruvadirai. Today's Rahuvalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Gulyakalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Today's good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandra